This is just a quick one now. Ford Mondeo came to me, instrument cluster faulty. Went and got a new instrument cluster for it. Required a wee bit of programming. I'll show you. So the problem was new cluster, old one was knackered, wouldn't read. So with the help of Forscan here, I reprogrammed the mileage. Mileage was reading 93,000. This actual mileage is 148,000, just over the 148,000. That's about as close as I can get it. I just thought I'd show you. So, go backward. Mouse pad on this thing. Probably not very clear. Done. So, go back. Go to the log. An adapter's not recommended for this car, but it works. It's a Forscan adapter. It's quite a good program, to be fair. Can't recommend them enough. See, there's the mileage been changed there. And to do that, you go in here. So this is registered to me. I'm just going to do a wee disconnect from the vehicle. I'm going to start the car up. Probably got cold again. There we go, car got cold again. An awful rattly thing, 1800 TDCI. But, excuse all the shit I've got here. We'll just minimize that. And we'll blow this up. Flip that back over. It's sliding down the seat. Spoke to Raffle there about the PCB board and this thing. And it turned out it was water damaged in 3 places. See, unable to make connection. Make sure the ignition is on. It's possibly because I've got the vehicle running. This is not connected, but hold on a second. Try that again. Oh, I've had various problems with this lead making connections. To be honest, program's really good. The lead that I've got there is pretty crap. Start again with the vehicle not running. Check the leads in. Check the leads in, and there's no pressure on it. Right. I've had problems with it, as I say. It will connect at some point. Anyway, I don't really care that it doesn't seem to be connecting at the moment. I've done what I set out to do. Damn silly, it's not all the way on the OBD2 port in this car is not very good. I found that out this morning. Connected my own one, mother scanner, connected the top-down BT800 into it. It came up all good. See, there's no liking that. Well, I can try again. Yeah, see, don't want to do that, so you can see the mileage has been changed. Always reads in kilometers, so you have to roughly work out what the kilometers is of the vehicle. That'll conclude that little video. So, thanks very much for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comment section. I've actually found sometimes that turning it off, turning it back on, connect to vehicle. So I bet you kind of get it to connect now. I will have to look into that, see why it's not working. Not sure why. There we go, it's connected now. It's just a bit buggy, the OBD2 port in this car, I'm afraid. There was CAN issues on it. As I say, I replaced the instrument cluster. There's a DTC coming up there for the ABS. I got the same thing with my top-down scanner. There's a wee, can't see it, but there is a wee peg there, so when it asks you to do that, you go, yes. Right, and click OK. Now let's just scan through all the modules. And we're scanning through all the modules there. Just slower, this one. I don't want to save this vehicle, so I'm not that bothered about it. For configuration and programming, go there, and there's your odometer. I'm not going to do it because I've just done it, but go down. Sorry, I was highlighting that, my hand's cold as fuck. And the there, see? And it won't go back, it'll only go forward. So if you are thinking you've got a bad instrument cluster, so my management light that's off anyway, so right, so I'm going to clear the log. And disconnect. Right. And also put that back into the position so that I know it's in the high position for when I start it again. Right. Oh, so there's a wee bit of information on what I do. A wee bit of information on what I do. I have to take this car for a test drive now. Should be alright. Leave me a like if you like that video. If there's anything you want to ask me, I'll try and be as helpful as I can. Not that I know that much about Forscan, sorry. I mainly follow the website. Can't recommend the boys on there enough. They're great guys. I think James Gibson, big shout out to him too. He's got Forscan as well, so we'll work out between us, you know. But anyway, like I say, I hope you like that video, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.